Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to customize the look and feel of your emails beyond what the regular drag-and-drop Mailchimp editor offers, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to upload a custom HTML template to Mailchimp. And the best part is, this works on all plans. So whether you're just starting out or you've been using Mailchimp for a while, you'll be able to make your emails truly unique by the end of this tutorial. Alright, let's dive straight in. First things first, head over to your Mailchimp dashboard and go to the design area. This is where all the magic happens, and it's essentially your digital canvas for building out email campaigns. You'll probably see the standard templates and design options, but for what we're doing today, we'll want a bit more control. So look for the code option among the content blocks. The code block might sound a little intimidating if you haven't worked with HTML before, but don't worry. It simply allows you to drop your own HTML into the email so you can have a completely custom design. Think of it as swapping out the factory seat covers in your car for something totally your style. That's the kind of personalization we're talking about here. Now, here's a handy trick to make things easier. Head over to the Stripo website, which is a fantastic resource for pre-made HTML email templates. You can browse, select one you like, and easily copy the HTML code with just a click. Don't worry if you're not a seasoned coder, Stripo does all the heavy lifting for you. Just copy the HTML, you don't need to change or tweak anything at this stage unless you want to make it really tailored. Next, switch back to Mailchimp and in the code block you added earlier, simply paste the HTML you copied from Stripo. Give it a few seconds to load the design, as sometimes large or complex templates take just a bit longer to display. This is the step where you see all your customization take shape. If things look a little off at first, don't panic. Sometimes the in-editor preview doesn't look exactly like the final email, but you can always send yourself a test email to double-check how everything appears in your inbox. Once your custom template looks good and you're happy with it, go ahead and hit Save and Exit. This tells Mailchimp you're done editing and locks your design in place. I know this might seem like a small step, but it's super important. Saving regularly means you won't lose any of your work if something goes wrong or if you accidentally click away. And that's it, you've just uploaded a custom HTML template on Mailchimp, all without needing any special plan or advanced coding knowledge. With these custom templates, you'll really stand out in your readers' inboxes, and you now have the flexibility to create emails that match your brand perfectly, instead of settling for cookie-cutter layouts. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, it really supports the channel. And if you ran into any issues or have questions about Mailchimp, go ahead and drop them in the comments below. I check them regularly and am always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on new step-by-step tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.